Hello and welcome back, YouTubers. So this time around I think we're going to go ahead and learn how to control a sackbot. So this is what we're going to need for it. We're going to need a couple of controllers, 1 and 2 here. We will need a follower, which is the top, a gravity tweaker, which is the bottom one, and we will need a tag, and we will need a piece of sticker panel, and of course can't forget our old pal the bot here. So all these things can be located in your Puppet menu here. We got our gadgets where we can find our robot under sackbots. We can find the tag sensor under sensors up top on the left right there. We can find the controller here. Just a little down from there is the gravity follower, and then the gravity is at the bottom. Oop. Alright, and your sticker panel is located right here under special materials in your materials section. Alright, so what we're going to do is here, we're going to go ahead and give ourselves a little space to play here. Hit our robot, and bring that up. We're going to put a controller on our robot. We're going to go into the controller. We're going to change that controller to a receiver. We are going to put that to blue. Then we will take our tag and we will put that on our robot as well. And we will make that one blue as well. I just want to confirm that this didn't mess with us here. Okay, good. Next we will take our sticker panel. We want to make it thin as it'll go. We want to turn this to dynamic. Go down to the brightness. We will turn that to 0, and we will also turn the one below it to 0 as well. We'll take our controller here. Slap that bad boy right about there. We will change a few things about this. We will change this to a transmitter. We will make sure that our color coordinates with the bot that we want to control. Trigger radius is not really necessary. That's basically how close you will get to the robot before it tells you that you could jump into it. So if you wanted to start a level out where you immediately jump into a robot, you could put that to 100%, and then you would put automatically enter to yes. And that will make it so that no matter where in the game, you would automatically enter into the robot. For this particular circumstance, I'm going to make it so that we can enter the robot manually. So I'm going to leave that the same, and we'll just turn that to about 1. Go down to the bottom here, and we're going to change that to not visible in play mode. So our controller should be finished there. Now we should be able to get into our controller and actually control our robot. But as you can see, it is not being followed. So for a more dynamic level, when we want our robot to move around, we're going to go ahead and open this back up to our controller here. We're going to go ahead and throw our follower on. And we're going to go ahead and throw our gravity tweaker on. So our gravity tweakers, we're going to want to be able to set that guy to 100% gravity, dampening at 0, and 0 buoyancy at 0. A little redundant, but you know. Anyhow, maximum speed, we want to turn that up to 100. In and out speed up to 100. We want to turn our acceleration up to 100. Our minimum duration, leave that at 0. We want to turn our maximum duration up to a couple hundred, 200, 300, something like that. Doesn't really matter after a couple hundred. Layers to 16. Allow up and down movement, yes. Flee rather than follow, no. And we want this guy to follow a blue tag, which we will name P1. This just helps keep things organized when you start making levels with lots of different characters in them, or different tags and stuff in them. Just make sure that your tag here coordinates. Change the label also to P1. Now ensure that the follower will follow your robot now anywhere he goes. So now, in play mode, when you jump in here, this is how your robot will be moving around. Alright, if you guys like the tutorial, please feel free to hit that like button, subscribe, leave comments below for any kind of tutorials you guys would like to see. Appreciate you guys.